All right, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. Woo! Market is hot today. HOT. Here we go. Big moves in the market today. All kinds of action. See if we get this thing situated here. All right, great. Welcome aboard, everybody. Suzanne, good morning. Marcia, God bless you. Steven. All right, I got the Steven strategy running on my live account today. In a trade right now, going long. I'm up 215. Got that Steven strategy running here. Steven, how you doing this morning? Have you jumped in the ring yet?
Order submitted.
All right. Things are cranking here, I'll tell you. Exciting day coming at us. Haymaker Drone just took the lead dog spot.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, he's got the Steven strategy. Full tilt, probably. All right, coming back on us a bit here. Exit on line change. All right, anybody run yours overnight? See any action?
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order submitted.
Take a look at the leaderboard getting out of the gate here. Starting out with a couple green spots. Have the Haymaker Signal A drone.
Order submitted.
Mine's up 1,000. I have a couple Apex accounts up $1,000 already. Got the scalper, a runner. This BC scalper's been hot. I've been trading the heck out of it. All right, Duke's back. Wonder where Nightbot went. Someone ground Nightbot.
Order filled.
I think I grounded him.
Filled.
Okay, we got the star moving around. Robert, way to go, Robert. Hope you're out there today doing a little trading. Couldn't wait for today and yesterday. I was like, yeah, baby, let's go. Volatility. Woo! That's where we make the money.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Steven jumped in again over here for me.
Order.
Wonder how it's doing on this.
Order submitted.
Steven bot down here's down 400.
Filled.
Oh, I had different settings. I just changed it this morning. So Steven might start jumping in here soon. Haymaker's in. Got Signal A entry coming up. Should be a beauty right here. Going long, trying to push through the 800. Setting records today. Woo! Setting records today. All right, Robert, good. Doing some trading. Welcome aboard. Drop in what you guys are trading in the chat.
Order submitted.
All right, Suzanne got the 2-minute drone. And the ES overnight. Okay, good. Let me Okay, thought the Haymaker had a gimme here, but it's going to push back some here.
Order submitted.
Ooh,
Filled.
that was a tough one.
Order filled. Order filled. Order.
That was a toughie. That was a quick sell-off right there.
Order.
Oh,
Order filled. Order Order submitted.
Okay, we got the star cruising up the leaderboard. Everything else just got whiplashed off.
Order filled.
Let me drop this in real quick. Any trading opportunities that are provided here verbally or electronically, they're for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me and my team, we develop trading software, and we're traders. We're not financial advisors. So if you're new to trading, please reach out to a licensed financial advisor, get some good advice before you jump in the ring here, because this is risky and it moves super duper quick. So you can lose a lot of money fast if you don't have the right controls in place. Or even if you do have the right controls in place, you can lose a lot fast. But what that means is you can win a lot fast too, if you have the right tools in place.
Order submitted.
All right, let's get her done here.
Order filled.
Signal A entry one more time, wrong way. Not the way I would have thought. Gonna work the 700s for a while.
Filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
$200 move. Here we go. Big dog coming up. I'm in a beauty too. Got the Steven strategy in. I'm up 500. Live account, baby. Woo-hoo. I'm in at 745. The haymaker's in at 746.25. Woo-hoo. Come on, baby. Run with it.
Filled.
Big trade. Ouch. Look at this big boy. Here comes the ES Star drone. Big move. Big move coming south. Oh, baby. $1,000 trade.
Order filled.
Boom. Shakalaka. Let's go.
Order filled.
Takes all the pressure off. Just push the button. Look at the data. Push the buttons. Here we go. Suzanne, let me show you. Let me show you if you'd like to tighten up that stop a little bit. Let's do a little analysis of that. Before I do that, I want to add a couple accounts so they're rolling here.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Got this runner. Woo!
Order submitted.
This thing's been hot. We were trading this Monday. And the scalper. We were trading them both Monday.
Order filled.
Signal A's been hot. Woo! Top 3 lead dogs
Order filled.
continuously over the last couple of days.
Order filled.
Let's get this runner to work again.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
A little bit of the secret sauce about this Signal A runner is I've got this velocity filter set at 100 ticks, so the 2-minute candle has to go 100 ticks
Order filled.
before this thing even wakes up. So it's only in live action. It's only in huge moves.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Signal A And only restriction is the 50
Order
above
filled.
or below
Order
price.
submitted.
Risking $300 per trade. This is like the perfect ATM in my mind. It's a 3-to-1. So we're risking 60 ticks, and we're trying to go gather 180 of them. So 6 times 3 is 18. So
Order
60
filled.
times 30 is 180. So this is a 3-to-1, and you've got a lot of action here that's going on. So at break even, we pop up to 2 ticks.
Order filled.
And right here we're using the momentum-based trailing stop. So we're using the 15. When the 15 goes from, if you're going short and it's red, whenever it turns yellow to green, it takes you out of the trade automatically. So
Order filled.
that's kind of the setup that's been super hot. Here we're going to put her to work. Let's try to pick off a nugget with the PA account.
Order submitted.
Shoot.
Order filled.
I gotta reset data. How about that?
Order
Dang it.
filled. Order filled.
Just flipped over this account this morning, so so yeah, when
Order filled. Order
yeah,
submitted.
when you get new accounts, you have to reset the data so it goes out and snatches
Order
the
canceled.
new account. So to do that, you just right click here, hit flatten all, flatten everything here. What that does is it disables all your strategies and it closes all the positions. So I usually kind of check over in the positions tab, make sure everything's good to go, that no trades are active. And it's disabled all my strategies now. So now we can cruise right here and hit disconnect. And I usually just wait about 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds and then give her a go, as they say. So we're hooking back into rhythmic data, and this connection, it takes a few minutes to sort of get established here. All right, had some really good trades on Steven on my live account today. Wow. What a great day to be a trader. And who would have thought that everything's coming back on us? Let's take a look around the markets and see what's hot and what's not. How about that? We got a new president. New commander-in-chief in charge again. And we're up. Everybody's up. Look at the Dow's up almost 3%. Woo! E-mini Russell almost 5%. AMC that I'm still holding. I'm going to hold her till the end, baby. Till they close the theaters. Okay, we got earnings today, too. NVIDIA rising fast, 142. Oh boy. You'd think you'd be pushing long only, but you've seen we've been killing it, short trading here since 9:30. Totally trading the opposite direction. Look at the E-mini up 5%, almost 4.5%. Wow. Whew. It's running 23.79. All right, so she's getting fired up. What the process is it kind of connects all the data behind the scenes first, makes sure the strategies are getting live data feed from the CME, and the next thing that it does is it then populates like the kind of like the exterior components, like the charts and all the things. We actually say like it actually draws all these indicators on the chart. So it's a script that actually draws on a screen. So it's it's kind of the last thing that it does. First thing, resource wise, it takes care of the strategies, the direct line from the data feed to the strategy in this loop here, and then populates the chart later. So now that bad boy's up and rolling, I'm going to create them strategies that I was working on. Use this runner here. This one's in first place today. So when you restart it continues to keep your account log of your profit and loss. So we'll go over and check that out in just a split second. So I'm going to edit this strategy and create move it to this one here, 53. I'd like to collect 3,100. Don't want to, but we can lose 2,500. And so now you have access to the strategies that you were just purchased. Okay, so we'll get that one up and rolling. We'll do another new one. This time we'll do the scalper. NQ8U BC scalper. I think it's number 2. This one's only alive and awake from 9 to 1. Those are my daily profit and loss limit. This is the account. So if you buy an Apex account or a prop account, you just go pick it up here. So number 1854 here is now in my account. And I'm trading this strategy, the NQ8U Signal BC Scalper. Steve, a valued member of our community, helped create this strategy. Steve and Robert been really helpful. Thank you, both of you, and everybody else who contributes. I hate to call just a couple, but we got a great community. Thanks again for contributing, everybody. Okay, so we're going to be rolling with the scalper and the runner. Let's go back to the accounts tab, and I'll kind of show here. So the scalper's here. We'll get the drone going. We got, we'll run the first 3 or 4 here. Haymaker. Get that one going. New strategy. NQ30 range Haymaker. So the Haymaker's only alive and well if we've got a real heavy duty movement. Got to have 110 ticks in the 2-minute candle for this one to wake up and go to work. Changing the daily profit and loss. These accounts can handle 3,100 or 2,500 in the hole. 30 days in the hole. All right, so we got 3 of them armed up here. Let's just do a Control A, a right click and enable, and we're off to the races. So she's connecting the dots here behind the scenes, getting the horses all revved up and ready to roll. The minute the market flinches, they're going to go to work. All right, Marcia. Nice pull on the NQ. That's a big trade, Marcia. 870. Shakalaka. Congratulations. All right, Suzanne, whenever this thing comes back to life here, we'll open up the star. Oh, I wanted to get that on one too. Okay, I'll put the star on an Apex account here, and we'll modify the stop loss, because that thing is heavy duty right now. I think it's 100 ticks on the ES, which is 1250. Ouch.
Order submitted.
Is that right, Robert?
Order filled.
1,250 when you go out on the star. We're going to see in a second. So I'm just waiting for my last strategy right there to turn green. When they turn from black text to green text, they're alive and well. And now what I look for is my clock speed up here.
Order submitted.
It's the delay time. So I'm waiting for that to go from red to black text.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, NQ just had a huge move to the upside.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Here we go, coming back in range. All the bots are in working again. Wow, look at that one. RTY ODP in full effect. Woo.
Order filled. Order
Woo. The signal D jumped in right away.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Right away after we turned her back on, she jumped right in. Hot.
Order
Haymaker's still the lead dog.
submitted.
Okay, we got one of them going to work for us. Oh, the scalper. This one's intense.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Big pullback on it.
Order submitted.
Oh, Haymaker's in too.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we're going to work here.
Order.
Woo.
Order submitted.
Caught the head fake on the scalper.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Woo. How about that? Caught a couple of them in the chin right there.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, Suzanne, here we go. Let's do the ES star. So I'm going to go into my strategies tab. I usually left click on strategy and get them to go back through A, B, C, D through alphabetical order. That way I can kind of chase it a little easier.
Order filled.
So here it is, and now I'm gonna right mouse click on this guy. I'm gonna then left mouse click on edit.
Order filled.
So it's a little bit of a left and a right, which is kind of unusual. So I'm gonna, I forgot. The first thing you need to do is, if you're gonna edit one, is it has to be disabled. So I had to uncheck it over here. So now I got it disabled. I can then right mouse click and then left mouse click and then edit it. Let me move this. Let me move Steven's record out of the way here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, so this is the strategy settings for the star, ES star. All right, we jumped in on the scalper. Boom, baby, shakalaka, caught the first one right inside the head there. Here we go. All right, so these are the settings. We keep this jailbroke for you, so all the settings are available to you. And Suzanne was wondering how to adjust the stop. The stop loss is huge. So the first stop loss down here in trade management is huge. It's 100 ticks on the ES, which is heavy duty. That's a hammer. It's $12.50 a tick, so it's $1,250 one trade. So she was wanting to lower that. The way you do that is just kind of scroll through it there with your mouse, and now type in a number that's makes sense to you. Typically, a lot of our strategies, like the cash register, we have it around 20 ticks. Again, that's even heavy duty. 20 ticks times $12.50. $250. So that's kind of a reference point for you. So yeah, you just put 20 there, and then you can just hit OK and you're good to go. For me, I'm going to go ahead and put that one on an Apex account. And we'll let her roll. Okay, I just needed to make sure this is on the ES, and this is how it got messed up in the first place. Okay, so, and then I think the second question there, Suzanne, was, let me see, it's about a candle, I think. Star exit main doji candle. So the star candle down here, I had to go... I asked ChatGPT what a star candle is, and I wanted it to do a picture for me, a chart. I wanted to see it on a candle pattern. So I kind of got to see what it is, but it's kind of a star as far, it's almost like a triangle. The way that it's looking for the candles to line up so that it's another reversal. Is what it really is. It's another reversal candle. So that's the setting that we're using, and a trend strength of 3 is what we're using. So I'll put this one to work with 20 ticks, and let me go up to 30. go to 30. And we'll run around this Apex account and see what it does. Make sure it's still on ES here. Yep.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, getting slapped around a little bit here.
Order
Sheesh.
submitted.
1854 jumped in. That's the,
Order.
we'll get here and see what it's all going on. When you're trading, quite a few, in this case, Apex accounts, you can, double click or triple click here
Order submitted.
and see your Apex accounts rise to the top on the alphabetical order. So that kind of helps you, keep them straight over here, which ones you're running at the time.
Order filled. Order filled.
So I've got one that's running the scalper here. Let's take a look at it.
Order submitted.
So over on the right is the Apex account running the scalper. Over on the left is the Sim account running the scalper.
Order submitted.
Woo! Let's go, baby! All it needs is one big one.
Order filled.
Just one big one. Oh, I wondered what my live accounts
Order
met the
order,
max
order
win
filled.
for the day. Yes, $2,000. Sweet. I made $2,000 on Steven today. Thank you, Steven.
Order filled. Order filled.
After that move, I just reset it though.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Looks like we both got filled there a couple of ticks different. 734.25, 734.75 on that trade. Getting weak on us here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Little pop to the upside.
Order filled. Order filled.
She's jumping in, she's jumping out. Like popcorn today.
Order filled.
All right, I got a nice trade going again. What a day. I wish I wouldn't have missed all those quick moves. Darn it. Okay, we recovered to a point where it dropped like a rock about 10 o'clock right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm using the Steven drone on my live account. It's in this trade too. I'm in at 729.25. Just a little bit later than the scalper here. They're almost identical entries. Both signal C's are almost set up identical. It's working the 750. It dropped like a rock earlier.
Order filled.
Alrighty. Come back and test it one more time. And then shoot like a pistol, baby. Shoot like a pistol. We're sitting back 250 ticks, 50 ticks, $250 bill.
Order.
All right.
Filled. Order filled.
$18.56.
Order.
Whew.
Order submitted.
Boy, she jumped out hot there. That one jumped out super hot.
Order filled.
Ton of slippage on that trade.
Order filled.
Woo!
Order submitted.
Coming in hot. Big orders.
Order filled.
And again. Oh, baby. Today's the day to be a trader. Let's go. Woo! It coming in hot right now. The buyers are open. What a day. What a day.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yes. 2,500 on my live account. Nice move today. Woo. Caught some of these big shark tooths. Here we go. Oh, baby. We're holding on for dear life here. Look at all that slippage to get into that trade over here. Woo! 3 points almost.
Order filled.
Holy moly, they were coming out hot. That thing took a U-turn.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Rarely see this kind of bullish movement. Woo! Man,
Filled.
they're hot right now. They are super hot taking orders.
Order filled.
All right. Woo! What a trade. What a trade. Up 35 or 2,500. Okay, the ES star. Let's check it out. Dun, 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 dun. So here we're in. This is the ES star strategy. We'll go check out the strategies tab. I'll show you what I'm using right here. So account number 1856 here is running this strategy, the star, ES star.
Order submitted.
We just loaded a few minutes ago. We're up 375. We've got our stop down here at 30 ticks. So a lot of room to breathe. Suzanne, let's measure the last pullback
Order filled.
and see how many ticks it went. So this is a really, really important tool. This little Quran up here, this drawing tool, the most important tool, I think, in the software for engineering. So you click on this little guy, left click. There's a couple of features to know about this snap mode. I think the easiest is to use it disabled. You can make when you click the snap to go to the bar or the price or the bar and price,
Filled.
but it makes it a little bit of a challenge to move around, so I usually use it disabled. But we'll take a look from the highest point of that move to the pullback. So that pullback on the last, from the highest point to the lowest there, is 45 ticks.
Order filled.
So let's say we entered right in the very tip of the candle on that wick. We entered our trade to go long. We would need at least 45 ticks in our stop loss to stay in that trade. And right now we would be up.
Order
You can just
submitted.
grab this little dude and move him around. Right now we would be up 43 ticks.
Order filled.
So if you did a 45 and a
Order
45,
submitted.
that might be a nice setup for the market right now. You can see that one pulled back 43 ticks. So if you had your stop loss down there at like 46 or so, because they'll come get them. If you're right at 40, one away, chances are someone will buy it. Who knows? It's the way the system works. So maybe a 45 and a 45, or a 40 and a 40. 40. I mean, you got to have at least a 45 here to stay in the trade. So that's kind of how you can sort of measure your success. And the best thing that we have going is you can put the cross in the proper position so that you know where you're going to get your entry. In this case, these are set up for signal A, I think. Right now, the crosses.
Order filled.
We would need to set them up in
Filled.
the correct position for the trade. I turned it on at a weird time, so it could have, maybe, let me go into the crosses and see. So yeah, I think it's signal D. Gotta get this thing fixed. Okay, yeah, that one's D. Okay, so we're up 500. The ES Star, Robert Special. Ooh, Marcia's snatching the big bills. Way to go, Marcia. Great day to be a trader. We got the scalper in. The NQ scalper. It's always got the trailing stop loss back there at 250 ticks. Sorry, 250 bucks. Eesh. 50 ticks. Hey, Daily Grands, way to go! Good morning. Yeah, we have a Discord. Let me pop it up here. So we've got a exclusive private Discord channel for the AI Auto Trader members here. Right now we've got 195 online. Thank you. Most of our members pop into our live also, but yeah, we post the daily results every day. So yesterday, this is the strategy results of the winners. We post the winners. We call it market intelligence. Take a look at which ones are doing the best, and then those are the ones that I trade. Trade the best and skip the rest. So the ES Star, we're trading that today. It was up $4,000 here a couple days ago. So we've got training videos, all these different Hall of Fame channel. Problems and solutions if you have any problems, and then we've got Charles's calendar if you need any tech support. So we got pretty good tech support, which we really appreciate. Thank you guys for giving us feedback, and Trustpilot, really appreciate that. Thank you. It means a lot to us. It's our lifeblood. That's what I tell Charles and Rory and Sergio and Brock and Craig and David is it's our lifeblood. So please continue to give us reviews. We appreciate it, and even if it's constructive criticism, we appreciate that too. That helps us get better. So really do appreciate it here. So we've got the auto trader here pushing higher. So we're using this scalper right here that we've built here at Right Line Trading, and we're trading it in this Apex account over here on the right, not doing anything, just kind of sitting back and watching her roll, watching her do its thing here. It's just snatching the dollar bills out of thin air. Literally. Just about like snatching money out of thin air. I'm in on Steven again. What in the world's going on Steven down here? I had the settings wrong earlier on it, and I fixed them. So let me check out NQ8U Steven down here. Huh. Not trading. Let me go in and take a peek.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, what in the heck? How'd I have that clicked? Okay. That was it. Can't have calculate historical values clicked, that's for sure. Okay. I wondered why. I wasn't getting trades down here, but I'm trading it on my live account, making a bunch of money up here. Wondering what's going on.
Order submitted.
Accidentally clicked calculate that value. I think that's it. We'll see. Like I mentioned, I had a wrong setting in there. In fact, I think the spreadsheet might be incorrect. So I got a note from our morning meeting. Charles brought it to my attention. I'm going to jump in on the spreadsheet and take a look and see if I made a mistake there. So be aware of that. But the Steven drone should be going off like crazy. Here we go. Yep, that was it. We're in. Steven drone's alive and well now. I set it up earlier. I accidentally hit that calculate historical values. You only use that if you're doing playback. Back testing as well. So I don't use playback or back testing. We tried that, and I trade it live, and I wasn't getting the same results. So kind of tabled that and forward test them with live accounts and sim accounts. As you'll see, I've got a sim account on the left, a live account, or in this case, an Apex account on the right. And you'll see that it'll take the trade at, basically the same exact time. We are trading contracts, so it does matter on what's available. In fact, you can kind of see here at the bottom. Again, this is Apex over here, Sim over here on the left. This one took the trade at 772.5. Over here is 772.75. So we call that one tick a difference there. If you buy 10 with the same strategy, 9 times out of 10 you'll get filled at 3, 4, 5 different prices, because it's only what's available at the time. It's an auction. It's an auction, so we got a little long trade here. We're trying to go up in a little bit of resistance here. 20,800. Can we get 20,801? Come on, baby. Yes, we can. So this particular strategy here is well designed. Steve from our community really dug deep on this one and came up with a damn rabbit in the hat. This thing is brilliant because it basically reduces your risk continually up to that first target. So if this thing even moves in your direction, I call it making money. Like, you're not losing as much as you started with. So the minute it hits that little blue target up there, all risk is off the table. Now you're playing with the house's money, which is a whole different game. And then we got the runner back there that's just creeping.
Order bill.
Boom, shakalaka. We're going through the 800s. What a great day to be a trader. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. Might clear $3,000 in my live account today. I'm up $3,000 right now, but it'll come back exit on line change if it goes out. How's your trading going out there, guys? Pop in the chat there. Let us know what you're trading. And if you're running the Stephen drone, please let me know how yours is doing. Over here, my lead dog is the scalper. Scalper up here at 1,800, 1,900 bucks.
Order bill.
Yes, this is our YouTube channel, so we're live streaming right now on YouTube. Let me try to bring over YouTube and see what that looks like. Should be able to pop that up, bring it over. I hope it doesn't let me get my camera off.
Order bill.
Okay, so our YouTube channel is here. Oops, this is us live. Oh shoot, it's here. Okay, so oops, this is us live. I was wondering if we could hear ourselves talk, so we can. So yeah, inside our YouTube channel. Right here, I think you have to click this one and go see the lives. But yeah, we have David Wise. He'll be coming on at 11 o'clock. He's our professional options trader. He uses a couple pieces of our software, the SPY Super System. And then David Kushner, he runs our Money Flow Tracker software. And Craig Emery, they run the Money Flow Tracker software sometimes. So, but yeah, all the trading that we do it every day. Every day we're live. No BS around about us. We trade this thing live every day, and you can come check out any of the broadcasts there. Really appreciate all of our subscribers too. We've got about 16,000, I believe. Yeah, 16,000. Wow, that is awesome. Really great. So we've put our schedule right up here on the top of what kind of live action we've got going on.
Order submitted.
Okay, scalper jumped in again.
Order filled.
Look for a long trade here. Running out of gas.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
It's relentless.
Order submitted.
Saw the order block come back in. This little scalper bot, it's a good one. Scalper and the runner. The star drone. That's what we're trading over here in this one. It's up 420. 420.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Almost had that one. Boy, that was close.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Big time bid-ask spread variation going on right now. Big gaps in the market. Huge gaps.
Order filled.
Trying to take a short trade here. Got to push through the 70s. Not good.
Submitted.
70s are tough. It's gonna double choke, head fake, and trip up and speed bump and everything. But we got a little bit of a move out of it. Here we go, going down south. All of a sudden, pushed through the 800s and cleaned it up, and now we're going back downtown.
Order filled. Order filled.
Uh-oh, looks like my chart froze up on me. That's unusual. Hmm. Hmm. Where was that refresh thing at? We got a good trade going too. Big trade. Up 400. Let me try a couple things. What's going on here? See if it's just the NQ chart. Okay, just the NQ chart. Interesting. Let me let's see what's going on there. So here on this move, yeah, we had a heck of a good move. Maybe we could have took a little off the table up there. 74 ticks. Let's go ahead and preserve some of that capital.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we'll go down then.
Order filled.
Got one heck of a good trade going too. Let's see here.
Order submitted.
Look like my NQ locked up tight on me for some reason.
Order filled.
The other instruments are still running okay.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Well, that's interesting. Got the scalper in big time. It's rolling. Sure wish I could see it. There's a sink. What is that? Another great trade going on here.
Order submitted.
Phew. See if I can wake her back up. Yep. Let's see if I get the NQ to get live here. Interesting.
Order filled.
Well, let's see.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Well, we'll have to flatten everything out one more time, I think, and try to give her one more run here. We get her on the NQ, or M and Q. Get the M and Q live here. Oh, I'm in a nice trade too. Oh, Steven is rolling. Man, let's check out Steven now. Bet it's on the leaderboard. Steven. Let's take a look at the leaderboard here. Oh, 2 minute ODP. Wow, what's got going on? Got it all out of control.
Order submitted.
Steven.
Order filled.
Nope. Hasn't made it up here on this one yet. I hate to have to do this.
Order can't. Order filled.
We'll flatten her back out.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Take a little breather on this one. Whew. Got twisted somewhere along the line there. We're doing decent over here. Another short trade on Steven. Take a look at the markets. Here we are. Let's look at the all-time high. All-time high, 52-week, 20,983. 20,983. All-time high on the NQ. The instrument we trade every day. Setting records. Coming back. We saw it hit 20,800 a couple of times today. Right here's the high, 2822. Well, Looks like I'm having a couple of issues here for some reason. Probably need to go again and give her a full reboot. Okay, maybe it's starting. Looks like we got this one rolling. Not this one yet. Yeah, I guess it's getting close to 11 here. Why don't I go ahead and end the broadcast? I'm having a little bit of trouble here getting her rolling again. I think I might have to go ahead and restart. Maybe even my computer. Sometimes Ninja gets hung up a little bit here in the background with the data, and we saw the chart freeze. That's very unusual. I haven't had a chart freeze in I don't know months, but so something went sideways here in the background. So why don't we go ahead and close her down a little early. Great day to be a trader. That's all I'm saying. Doing really well up here. Got another good trade going on in Steven right now. So Steven is crushing it right now. If you have our software, I think you'll probably be able to see it in the black. Hopefully they're coming up soon. Way to go, Marcy. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Sorry I had a little technical difficulty here, but we did pretty decent for the day with the Apex accounts. I got one here down underwater pretty good, but other than that, we survived pretty good here. Got a couple at 1,000 or so here, and then a couple here decent trades. One at about 390, one at 200, and then we got one down at 200 in the hole. So we're battling here today. We'll get her going again and bring her back up and push the buttons again, but I've got a chart here that's kind of got me frozen up, so we'll give her a kickstart and reboot her and see if we can put her in the winner's circle by the end of the day. So appreciate everybody joining me today. Thanks a lot for joining the Right Line Trading community. Really appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Bye now.